guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rola and today I am going to do a smoky eye look with Huda Beauty Remastered. This is the remastered rose gold palette which I had used earlier. I wanted to create around few looks from this palette, so I am going to use this palette for next 3 to 4 weeks and show you all the different looks I can create. For today I am going to do a brown smoky eye with few of the shades they have in this. So for the base makeup, I am going to start with the moisturizer. For the moisturizer, I'm going to use this Ultra Facial Cream. I'm going to use this moisturizer all over my face. I'm not going to miss any step today. Usually I miss some of these steps. My favorite lip balm, it's my lip balm, Kiss Cherry Tree. It's a very, those who have a very dehydrated lips and those who don't drink water, they should try this. I have seen my sister, my few of the friends, their lips were dying, and I literally share this and it change in like few minutes or like 10-15 minutes. I see a huge difference on their face. After using moisturizer and the lip balm, I'm going to use this primer. This primer is by Nykaa, Prep Me Up. It's really nice. I had used this primer quite a bit and I really love every time I have used. It is not expensive. It's in like a budget one. I'll put a link of this one link of the product in my description. You can just go and check. My eyes, I'm gonna use a concealer. This one is True Match by Lottie. I'm going to apply over the eyelid. After putting the concealer over my eyelid, I'm gonna use this Mascara. It's in like a powder. I don't know what shade is this. What shade you are? TL4. And I'm going to like use a light, some brush. This one is some random brush. Just set those eyes. Palette I'm gonna use today. I wanted to create almost like a few looks with this palette. I hardly use nowadays. I had used quite a bit. So for the first shade, I'm gonna take Henna. So I'm going to take this color shade first, Henna. I'm going to apply in this area, and I'm going to take all. Second shade, Man Eater, and I'm going to apply in the same outer and the inner corner. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and I'm going to put this shade on like a full. I'm gonna apply this shade all over my eyelid. Okay, this shade is very difficult to go for. So once I put the shade on, I'm going to take the same brush which I used for Man Eater. I'm going to add over here towards the outer corner just to get a little defined. So now I'm going to wipe my edge with this just to get a little clean eye look. I'm going to do the same here. gonna take this pointy brush and I'm gonna take a little bit of the moon dust and I'm going to add in my inner corner. To make it complete as a one, I'm going to add over here. On my eyebrows, under my eyebrows. I'm going to take the last shade which I apply was the brown one. I'm gonna put a brown, then I'm gonna take Man Eater, and after that I'm gonna take Henna and mix all together on my lower lashes. That's how it's going to be. So Cocoa, and now I'll go with the Man Eater. I'm gonna use the same brush for Man Eater. I'm going to take Henna and I'm going to just apply here. This Sky Beauty foundation, which I feel like it's too light for me. I'm going to use the same beauty blender which I used earlier for my concealer. Anyways, after foundation, I'm going to put some concealer. For the concealer, I'm going to mix two things. One is this Huda Beauty. I'm going to use these two concealer together over my under the eye thing, and yeah, like as if I don't go too much with the concealer. I like little bit at a time, but yeah, I can go crazy at some point. So to blend this concealer, I'm gonna take the beauty blender, this one. I don't remember from where I got this one. I'm gonna take my all-time favorite, Sky Beauty. Shade name is Caramel Focus, and I'm gonna create a very beautiful, what we say, contour. So for the contour, it's like I'm gonna apply it and blend it. I'm not gonna wait to get this thing dry. The same thing, I'm going to apply it over my nose. I just wanted to have a little skin nose thing. A little bit here. That's it. My forehead is not big, so I'm okay about it. I'm using this brush from Wet n Wild. Once this is all done, I keep seeing there, I'm very sorry for that, very bad habit. Okay, so once my contour is done, I'm going to try this for the first time. I want to try this bronzer first from Wet n Wild. Okay, so this bronzer is what Shady Beige. Let me open this stuff. face. I can't stop seeing myself. So I'm going to use this Lottie London. I never had this kind of blush with me. I'm gonna use Pro Arty AF11, and I'm just going to apply on my. So once this blush everything is done, I'm going to take this highlighter. Before I go for a highlighter and lipstick, I'm going to curl my lashes and use this mascara. This is how it looks. So once my lashes is done, I'm gonna put a little bit one more coat of for the eyebrows. I'm using this pencil from Color Bar in Chestnut. It's one of a really good shade. Once eyebrows are done, I'm going to do a highlighter. For the highlighter, I am going to use, this is the highlighter which I'm going to use today. This one has a mirror here, which is interesting. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this, what we say, brush, fan brush. So I feel like my eyes are a little dull or going down. I'm gonna use this Faces Canada, and I'm just going to apply on my upper. I love this one. This is so creamy. The lip liner, I'm gonna take this Nykaa Lip Tone Lie. Shade name is Dirty Secret. I just don't want to go with the lipsticks. So after lip liner, I'm gonna take this lip gloss. This is a beautiful gloss. I'm going to use this Milk and Fix by Makeup Forever. Thank you everyone for watching my makeup look. Hope you guys really liked it. I tried doing the first time for the brown smoky eyes, and yeah, it's really beautiful. I had used few of the product for the first time, the bronzer, the highlighter, the blush, and yeah, few of the products were really new. I just got it today and I applied it. I really love how my makeup looks. It's really perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Take care. See you soon, and please do share, subscribe and like. Bye bye.